we get to the situation where, 10 years ago, 5 years ago, it would have been left-wing people fronting these women rights rallies. Now, if a right wing is turning up, there's a counter-protest of how dare you go there and stand up for women.
Well, Peta, I'm going to disagree with you and Nicole respectively, and you make the point that 10 years ago, 10 years ago you could identify as a conservative and from the right of the Liberal Party, and I've spent my career doing so, and you could think that abortion should be legal and free. You could think a whole raft of other things. You could think that Australia should be secular in its politics, and perhaps religion and religious influence shouldn't play such a role in our conservative part of our Liberal Party. Now you can't. There are a number of boxes that you have to tick because being a conservative, as I was 10 years ago or 20 years ago and still are, is not good enough anymore. You have to be increasingly on board with fringe right-wing ideology as escalated
can I just jump there? I disagree.
to be the most important issues in the party room. Well, we can respectfully disagree.
I'm a conservative. I'm a conservative, and I do not tick all those boxes. And I don't think anyone would say, remotely would say, that I'm a moderate liberal, that I'm a progressive liberal.
Absolutely, as am I, and I don't tick those boxes either. But people who seem to support Moira Deeming and her actions, not on this particular issue, there's a whole raft of issues this member of parliament, elected member to the Crown, is known for around those other issues that I just mentioned. And I think she firmly is in the camp of a fringe element of the party, which was elected by the rank and file of the party. Yeah.
Okay, but surely you can distinguish issues that she might have on a platform that you don't agree with, but still back in her right to defend women.
Of course, and I defend her for the cause. I defend her right to promote pro-women and to highlight that women are being disadvantaged through the elevation of fringe issues of trans rights. Absolutely. But I think there's more to meets the eye in seeking to have this person dismissed from the Liberal Party as opposed to just this one particular issue.